Congratulations! With this year's event, we were able to reach the $1 million mark for CentraCare Health Foundation Pediatric Cancer Fund.
And we want to thank you for supporting the event and providing hope for Central Minnesota children and their cancer journey. And we'd also invite you to take this video and use it, share it with coworkers, friends, and family.
And please save the date for September 12, 2011. We'll see you on the golf course. Thank you.
Thanks again.
Meet Heather, a teenager, a cheerleader, a daughter, a childhood cancer survivor. Heather was just 6 years old when diagnosed with ALL, acute lymphoblastic leukemia.
She did everything a 6-year-old or a 5-year-old should do. She really loved dolls and Barbies, and she never really was sick. When we were first told, I think my heart just sunk. I was in shock for a little bit and just didn't know what lied ahead of us.
For Heather, although she was in a fight for her life, she wasn't the type of kid to let cancer keep her spirits down.
Without cancer, I wouldn't be who I am today. I wouldn't care as much about people. I kind of have more respect for people who are sick.
Heather was one of St. Cloud Hospital Pediatric Cancer Services' first chemotherapy patients. Today, she's a beautiful teenager who wants her success story to inspire hope and courage in others fighting cancer.
I know what it's like, so I can help other people and say, I know what you've gone through and you can do it. Keep up your faith and keep up hope, and just have fun with your family and your friends, your closest friends, because they will always be there for you.
Heather is just one of the many success stories here at St. Cloud Hospital Pediatric Cancer Services, a program provided by the Pediatric Short Stay Unit within the St. Cloud Hospital Children's Center. This program provides highly specialized, quality care that heals the mind, body, and spirit. As a local option, it keeps area families intact during the cancer experience. Such was the case for the Walses.
You know, as a parent, you never want to have an experience where you have to sit idle day after day after day and do nothing but watch your child suffer and be able to do absolutely nothing about it. So it's one of the most difficult things you'll ever have to go through.
Nathan Walls was just 16 years old when a big tumor was found in his chest. Today, he's a vibrant 20-year-old attending St. John's University.
Once we realized how much we were having to go back and forth from the cities and how much time that was taken away from being able to spend with family and friends, and it allowed us to make those weekend-long trips into just a day trip in St. Cloud.
It was a huge lifesaver because it meant being able to sleep in our own bed instead of in the hospital. And you can't explain what that's worth.
St. Cloud Hospital Pediatric Cancer Services has skilled, compassionate staff that includes registered nurses and pediatricians with special interest and training in pediatric oncology. All are critically care trained in pediatric advanced life support and emergency care of pediatric patients, ensuring outstanding clinical outcomes and a superior patient experience.
The staff at CentraCare were phenomenal support components for us because they understood what we were going through. They knew, they were so helpful about trying to find resources.
The program also employs child life specialists who help with the psychosocial, emotional, and developmental needs of children. These services play a critical role in helping kids cope with the daily stress and anxiety of cancer. St. Cloud Hospital Pediatric Cancer Services also offers activities for kids and their families to relax, have fun, share their experiences, and inspire one another to recovery.
I attend the events because I like how the doctors and the nurses just have fun with the kids instead of giving them treatment, which they probably don't enjoy very much. And it was fun just to see them outgoing and doing something with us.
Also, as part of its continuum of care, St. Cloud Hospital Pediatric Cancer Services provides its patients access to behavioral health professionals. This program helps kids manage not only the disease, but also the emotional issues that often accompany cancer. Due to the generous gifts given to the CentraCare Health Foundation, we're able to offer these and other services to our pediatric cancer patients. Every year in Minnesota, nearly 250 children are diagnosed with pediatric cancer. On behalf of all of our child and adolescent cancer patients, past, present, and future,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
thank you for donating your time, your money, and your heart.